हॅलो स्टुडंट्स, फर्स्ट चॅप्टर आहे रोटेशनल डायनॅमिक्स. या रोटेशनल डायनॅमिक्समध्ये आपण सर्वप्रथम अभ्यास करणार आहोत सर्क्युलर मोशनचा. या सर्क्युलर मोशनविषयी आपण मागच्या वर्षी बरीच माहिती घेतलेली आहे. तरी पण सर्क्युलर मोशन म्हणजे काय, तर आपण गोल गोल फिरतो. गोल गोल म्हणजेच द मोशन ऑफ ॲन ऑब्जेक्ट अलॉंग द सर्कम्फरन्स ऑफ अ सर्कल इज कॉल्ड अ circular motion, and this circular motion is a special case of translational motion or linear motion. What is mean by linear motion? Linear or translational motion means particle traveling along a straight line path. Okay, and this circular motion means the motion along the circumference of a circle. The circular motion having the two characteristics. First is it is an accelerated motion, and second characteristics is it is a periodic motion. Let us see the kinematics of circular motion. From figure, this is the center of a circle, and particle revolving along the circumference of a circle of radius r at a anti-clockwise direction. A vector drawn from the center of a circle to the position of particle on circumference of circle is called a radius vector, and A is the initial position of particle at time is equal to 0, and B is the final position of particle after time t. Theta is the angular displacement in time t, and r is the radius of a circle, and this s is the length of a arc at AB. If particle performing circular motion completes one revolution, then the angular displacement theta is equal to 360, that is the 2 pi radian, and theta is equal to arc length by radius of a circle. Substitute here notations. Theta is equal to s by r, means s is equal to r theta. Here r is the length of arc of that circle. And the next, we learn the translational motion. Translational motion and circular motion. Translational means the path along the straight line, and circular motion means the object along the circumference of a circle. And the notations for the translational motion: displacement is s, velocity v is equal to ds by dt, and the acceleration is equal to dv by dt. Analogous to circular motion, the notations are: the angular displacement is the theta, we learn in a previous figure. Angular velocity omega is equal to d theta by dt, and third is the angular acceleration alpha is equal to d omega by dt. आपण मागच्या वर्षी यांच्यातलं रिलेशन पाहिलेलं होतं, means v and omega, the relation between the linear velocity and omega. This relation is the magnitude of the v is equal to omega into r, and this omega means what? The angular velocity of the object. The direction of omega is always along the axis of rotation, and it is given by the right hand thumb rule. And this right hand thumb rule म्हणजे like that. माझ्या हाताकडे पहा, असा जर आपण हात धरला राईट हँड, तर त्याचा जो अंगठा असतो, this indicates the omega and omega. These the two figures indicates the omega, means angular velocity, and this omega is equal to, the formula of omega is equal to 2 pi n. In here n means the frequency, and this frequency means t is is equal to 1 by m, means time period. T is the time period, and the omega formula again written as omega is equal to 2 pi t in the sense of the time period. Okay. Next, we learn the UCM, means the uniform circular motion and non-uniform circular motion. These are the two types of the circular motion. Okay, the first type is the uniform circular motion and second type is the non-uniform circular motion. The first type, the motion of particle along the circumference of circle with constant speed. It is called a UCM, means uniform circular motion. And in this uniform circular motion we learn the centripetal acceleration or the radial acceleration, and the formula is equal to, radial acceleration is equal to minus omega square r. An example of the motion of tip of our hand, minute hand and second hand, म्हणजेच आपल्या हातातल्या घड्याळातले काटे, हे एक्झाम्पल कशाचं आहे? युनिफॉर्म सर्क्युलर मोशन. And next type of circular motion is the non-uniform circular motion. The definition of the non-uniform means if an object moves on circular path with variable speed, it is called non-uniform circular motion. An example is the motion of an object in vertical circle, means when a fan is switched on or off. म्हणजे आपल्या घरातला जो सिलिंग फॅन असतो तो जेव्हा आपण ऑन अँड ऑफ करतो, ती जी मोशन आहे ती कोणती आहे? नॉन युनिफॉर्म सर्क्युलर मोशन. म्हणजे फॉर इन्क्रीजिंग स्पीड द ओमेगा अँड अल्फा is the same direction, along the direction. Omega means the angular velocity and angular acceleration in the same direction. And for the decreasing speed, omega and alpha means angular velocity and angular acceleration are in the opposite direction. Okay. But when the angular acceleration means alpha is constant and along the axis of rotation, all the theta means angular displacement, angular velocity and angular acceleration will be directed along the axis. This makes the possible to use scalar motion, and it is the kinematical equation written as like that translational motion. ओके. म्हणजे ही जेव्हा मोशन अल्फा हा कॉन्स्टंट असतो त्यावेळी थीटा, ओमेगा, अल्फा या व्हॅल्यूज कशा असतात? कॉन्स्टंट. आणि हे सगळे इक्वेशन कशा बिहेव करतात? ट्रान्सलेशनल मोशन सारखे. आपण ट्रान्सलेशनल मोशनचे वरचे डिस्प्लेसमेंट, व्हेलॉसिटी आणि ॲक्सिलरेशनचे काय पाहिले होते? इक्वेशन्स. ओके. ते कसे असतात त्यावेळी? ओमेगा थीटा अँग्युलर ॲक्सिलरेशन अल्फा हा कॉन्स्टंट असतो तेव्हा. ओके. नेक्स्ट आपण आता या चॅप्टरमध्ये पुढचा जो पॉइंट पाहणार आहोत तो कोणता आहे? डायनॅमिक्स ऑफ अ सर्क्युलर मोशन. डायनॅमिक्स ऑफ सर्क्युलर मोशन मध्ये आपण कोणत्या दोन क्वांटिटी पाहणार आहोत? म्हणजे दोन आपण त्याच्या हे शिकणार आहोत फोर्सेस. ते कोणते आहेत? सेंट्रिपिटल फोर्स अँड सेंट्रिफ्युगल फोर्स. सेंट्रिपिटल फोर्स means the force acting on a particle performing circular motion which is along the radius and directed towards the center is called centripetal force. And centrifugal force means a pseudo force in uniform circular motion which acts along radius and directed away from the center of circle is called centrifugal फोर्स. म्हणजे सेंट्रिपिटल फोर्स हा आपण रोज एक्सपिरियन्स करत असतो. तो कसा असतो? टुवर्ड्स द सेंटर. आपण जर फिगर पाहिली तर सर्कल मधला जो सेंटर असतो आणि सेंटरच्या जर आपण सरळ डायमीटरवर असलो तर टुवर्ड्स कडे येतो, म्हणजे सेंटर कडे. आपण पृथ्वीच्या बाहेर फेकलो जात नाही, पृथ्वीवरच राहतो. म्हणजे आपल्याला कोणता एक्सपिरियन्स फोर्स असतो? सेंट्रिपिटल फोर्स. आणि सेंट्रिफ्युगल फोर्स हा कशामध्ये असतो, तुम्ही केमिस्ट्रीमध्ये सेंट्रीफ्यूज मशीन पाहिलेली असेल, त्याच्यामध्ये जो वापरला जातो तो फोर्स कोणता असतो, सेंट्रीफ्युगल फोर्स. and this centripetal force is a real force and centrifugal force is a imaginary force. Third point is the centripetal force is responsible for uniform circular motion and the centrifugal force is not responsible for the uniform circular motion. And the fourth point is the centripetal force having the formula is the minus sign because it towards the center. Here the towards is the very important word, that is it gives the minus sign here in the formula, minus mv square by r, and centrifugal force having the formula is mv square by r. These are the position vectors of that circle. Okay, and this is the overall dynamics of the circular motion. Next lecture we see the applications of the uniform circular motion. Okay, thank you. परत आवाज